Is your skin struggling to keep up with the changing seasons? Whether it's the dryness of winter, the heat of summer, or the unpredictable weather in between, your skincare routine needs to adapt. But don't worry, there's one natural ingredient that can help your skin thrive all year round. Aloe vera. In today's video, we're revealing how this powerful plant can help you tackle the unique challenges of every season. Stick around for expert tips on keeping your skin hydrated, balanced, and glowing, no matter the weather. Hydrating aloe vera moisturizer for dry winter skin. In colder months, the air tends to be dry, which can leave your skin dehydrated, flaky, and irritated. Aloe vera is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin and helps to lock it in. Aloe vera provides deep hydration without clogging pores, helping to soothe dry, irritated skin. Its moisturizing properties are ideal for keeping your skin soft and smooth even in harsh winter conditions. Aloe vera gel for sunburn relief in summer. During summer, when sun exposure is at its peak, aloe vera is a lifesaver for sunburned skin. Its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties make it the perfect natural remedy for soothing sunburn. Aloe vera helps reduce redness, calm irritation, and speed up the healing process after sun exposure. Applying aloe vera gel directly to sunburned areas helps repair skin damage and prevent peeling, keeping your skin healthy even after too much sun. Aloe vera and rose water mist for humid weather. In humid conditions, your skin may feel oily or sticky. Aloe vera, combined with rose water, creates a refreshing mist that balances the skin's oil production while keeping it hydrated. Aloe vera helps control excess oil without stripping the skin of moisture, while rose water calms and tones. This mist can be used throughout the day to keep your skin feeling fresh and revitalized, especially in humid climates. Aloe vera as a protective layer during windy fall days. As the winds pick up in the fall, your skin can become more vulnerable to dryness and irritation. Applying a thin layer of aloe vera gel acts as a protective barrier that shields your skin from harsh environmental factors. Aloe vera's protective qualities prevent moisture loss and keep your skin nourished, reducing the risk of chapping, redness, and irritation caused by cold winds. This simple step ensures your skin stays balanced as the weather shifts. Cooling aloe vera mask for hot, dry summers. Heat can make your skin feel parched and tired. An aloe vera mask, especially when chilled, provides instant relief from the summer heat while deeply hydrating and nourishing your skin. Aloe vera's cooling properties refresh the skin, reduce heat-induced redness, and restore moisture balance, making it the perfect solution for hot, dry summer days. Regular use of this mask helps keep your skin plump and hydrated all season long. Aloe vera in your diet for overall seasonal skin health. While aloe vera is great topically, incorporating aloe vera juice into your diet is another way to support your skin through seasonal changes. The nutrients in aloe vera work from the inside out to improve skin resilience and health. Aloe vera and tea tree oil for breakouts in transitional seasons. Spring and fall, when the weather is unpredictable, can lead to breakouts due to fluctuating temperatures and humidity. Aloe vera, combined with tea tree oil, creates an effective treatment to combat acne during these transitional times. Aloe vera soothes inflammation and heals acne-prone skin, while tea tree oil's antibacterial properties help reduce blemishes and prevent new breakouts. This combination keeps your skin clear and calm, even when the weather is constantly changing. Aloe vera for seasonal allergies and sensitive skin. For those with sensitive skin, seasonal changes can trigger flare-ups like redness, rashes, or inflammation, especially during allergy season. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for soothing and calming irritated skin. Its cooling effect helps reduce itching, swelling, and redness caused by allergies or environmental irritants. Aloe vera's gentle nature makes it perfect for calming sensitive skin during times of seasonal change. That wraps up our guide to seasonal skincare with aloe vera. As you can see, aloe vera is truly a must-have ingredient to keep your skin looking its best, no matter what the weather throws at you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more skincare and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, whatever the season, aloe vera has you covered.